Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TurboTax to track investment income step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the TurboTax homepage. Look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In to access your account, or start for free if you are a new user. If you are creating a new account, input your email address and choose a password. Follow the prompts to complete the account creation process. Once your account is set up, log in using your registered email and password. After signing in, locate the main dashboard and find the option for Investment Income. Click on Investment Income to begin the registration for tracking your investments. Select the type of investments you hold, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Follow the prompts to input your investment details, including purchase dates and amounts. If you have multiple investments, continue adding each one as guided. Once all data is entered, review the information for accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed to save your investment details. After saving, you can track your investment performance through the dashboard. Log back into TurboTax anytime to update your investment information as needed. Ensure you check for any year-end documents, such as 1099 forms, for accurate reporting. By regularly tracking your investment income, you'll be better prepared for tax season. Stay organized by keeping records of all transactions for easy access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.